Welcome to All Things Home, Ottawa's trusted online resource to connect you with homeowners. The website is run by veteran journalists who have covered the housing industry for over 20 years. Homeowners visit the site because they're looking for answers. By advertising with us, you ensure they're just a click away. Homeowners are drawn to the site to learn about home improvement and Ottawa's renovators, learn how to maintain their homes, and get valuable tips and advice on all aspects of the renovation process. It is Ottawa's only comprehensive home improvement resource. Our directory of renovators and product and service suppliers includes prominent placement and summaries of companies who advertise with us. And our articles take a deep dive into Ottawa's home improvement scene, with informed, impartial stories, including highlighting beautiful renovation projects. All Things Home offers you much more, from exposure through weekly email updates and our bi-weekly Homeowner Helpers newsletter, to lively social media engagement and comprehensive advertising options. Find out how we can connect you with your market. Visit allthingshome.ca.